Hello viewers, welcome back to another episode of Ranju's Chefgiri. Today we have come up with another video of making ghee at home. We are going to make this ghee from the butter. So I would like you to refer my previous video, which I'll be giving the link in the description box. So let's go to the kitchen and start making the ghee. I have taken approximately 150 grams of butter for making the ghee. Now let's light the gas and take a non-stick pan or any pan you can take. Let's put the butter. After some time it will start to melt. In the middle you have to keep stirring so that it doesn't get stuck into the pan. See how nicely it has melted. Now we have to fry it in the low flame. See, it has started to separate the oil from the butter, which is going to be the ghee. We have to keep stirring. It's almost done. The oil has already separated. We are going to keep it cool for some time and then pour it in the container. Let's take a glass jar. This is 100 ml glass jar, and take a funnel and a sieve and pour it out in the glass jar. Let it drain. Let's take the funnel out and check this. This is the clarified butter or the ghee which we get. So this residue you need not to throw it. We can keep it to make laddu. In the next video I'm going to make laddu out of this and show it to you. So this is the pure homemade ghee. See how beautiful the color is. Now we have seen how beautiful the ghee has turned out, and I hope you all understood the steps. If you have any clarification to be made, just put it in the comment box. I will definitely answer to your questions. And if you like our video, please do give a thumbs up. Please share this video and subscribe too. Thank you all for watching. Thank you so much.